is a terrorist act by the terrorist Ethiopian government against the Oromo people. The state of emergency in Ethiopia is a terrorist act by the terrorist Ethiopian government against the Oromo students in the universities. The terrorist Ethiopian regime must stop the military rule in Ethiopia. The terrorist Ethiopian regime must stop military rule in Oromia. We condemn the state of emergency in Ethiopia. We demand the release of opposition Oromo leaders in Ethiopia. Opposition Oromo leaders Dr. Marara Guddina, Baqqalee Garba, Sulbana Lellisa, Addisu Bulalla, Dajanee Xaafaa. They are not terrorists. They are fighters for freedom. They are fighters for equality in Ethiopia. They are fighters for respect of law in Ethiopia. The Norwegian government must clearly understand that the Ethiopian government is a terrorist. The Norwegian government must press the Ethiopian government to stop, to kill, to torture the university students. Dennoş kararingen, Oslo'da, terör rejimi, Ethiopia. Dennoş kararingen, Oslo'da, terör rejimi, Ethiopia. Dennoş kararingen, Oleg Gebres, Odet Ethiopis rejimi, Oslo offierne, militar rule for Ethiopia. Dennoş kararingen, Oslo'da, the Ethiopis Dennoş kararingen, Oslo'da, Ethiopis folke. Sturforskjell mellom regjeringen og etiopiske folket i Etiopia. Det etiopiske regimet i Etiopia er terrorist. We condemn state of emergency in